Hey, if you are wondering why you cannot enter for the recovery mode and hard reset your Samsung A07, in the most cases you are just not connecting your phone into the PC or other device, like for example the smartphone, by using USB-C cable, or you are holding buttons for too long. So let me show you how it looks. In this case, as you can see, I'm gonna actually connect this into my phone, make sure that the second phone is turned on, and right now we have to just turn off the smartphone, just power off. And now let me show you how you can do this properly. So you have to click and hold the power key and the volume up button simultaneously, and you have to release them when the Samsung logo appears. Take a look, just be patient, focus on it. Okay, it's a good example because it's not even working right now. So we have to do this one more time. One more time, click and hold, power key, and now release. Power key and the volume up button, and now we will enter into the recovery mode. And as you can see, we can just go here and select the wipe data factory reset. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.